Rainy day here in Broadstairs. Can you hear it on the roof? I don't like days like this. Anyway, we're here to talk about my latest mosaic. It's in the new series that I've started, where my personal challenge, my brief, was to use as few colours as possible. And in fact, I've allowed the seaweed to blend in. I did that on purpose. I wanted that effect. So it's quite sort of moody underwater scene, really. The Seahorse was all yellow when I started, before I fired him. It's a striker, and I knew it was going to change, but it's turned this wonderful jelly orange, which I think makes it a very exciting piece. He's got a rather bewildered expression on his face, I think. And when I tell you the verse I've written to accompany this, maybe that'll explain why. The Seahorse. Being a male seahorse is rather oblique. There's something about me that's very unique. It makes all the ladies chortle with mirth, because I am the one who has to give birth.